we are here to discuss about logic gates. Logic gates are basic building blocks of any digital system. It is an electronic circuit having one or more than one input and only one output. The relationship between the input and the output is based on a certain logic. These gates are implemented using electronic switches like transistors, diodes, etc. Logic gates are usually used in microprocessors, microcontrollers, embedded system applications, and in electronic and electrical project circuits. Digital circuit process signals that contain just two voltage levels or states, which are usually labeled as logic 0 and logic 1. Generally, a logic 1 represents a higher voltage, such as 5 volts, which is commonly referred to as a high value, while a logic 0 represents a low voltage such as 0 or ground, and it is usually referred as low value. We have three basic gates: NOT gate, OR gate, AND gate, and some types of gates are NOR, NAND, XOR and XNOR. So first of all, we are dealing with NOT gate. We can see the symbol of the NOT gate in the slide. It's an electronic circuit that produces an inverted version of the input at its output. From the truth table, it can be seen that if the input is 0, the output is just the complement of 0, that is 1. And if the input is 1, the output is just the complement 0. The next basic gate is OR gate. The symbol can be seen in the slide. It's an electronic circuit that gives a high input, that is 1, if one or more of its input are high. A plus sign is used to show the OR operation. It is read as A or B. From the truth table, it can be seen that if any one of the inputs is high, the output will be high. AND gate. It is an electronic circuit that gives a high output, that is 1, only if all its inputs are high. A dot is used to show the AND operation. It is read as A and B. From the truth table, the last row shows that if both the inputs are 1, the output is 1. In all other cases, the output is 0. The next gate is NOR gate. It's a combinational circuit. It is actually a OR gate followed by a NOT gate. The outputs of all NOR gates are low if any of the inputs are high. Next is the NAND gate. It is NOT AND gate, which is equal to an AND gate followed by a NOT gate. The outputs of all NAND gates are high if any of the inputs are low. From the truth table, it can be seen that first three rows are having a higher output, that is 1. In the last row, both the outputs are high, both the inputs are high, so the output is low. Next is the exclusive OR gate or XOR gate. It is a combinational gate having two AND gates, two NOT gates and an OR gate. It is doing the logical operation A B bar plus A bar B. It can be seen from the truth table that if any one of the inputs of this gate is high but not both, then the output of the XOR gate will be high. Next is the exclusive NOR gate or XNOR gate. It is just doing the complement of the XOR gate. The logical expression is A dot B plus A bar B bar. It can be seen from the truth table that if any one of the inputs is high but not both, then the output will be low. Thank you.